G'day guys, Greg here. Now, today in Greg's Kitchen, I'm going to be cooking a small Mac. Now, this burger's just like a Big Mac, only smaller. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. So for this, all I'm using is one all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. And just in keeping in tradition with a Big Mac, well, I'm using the secret burger sauce that's supposed to be very similar to the Big Mac sauce. But you'll notice on the back here that the expiry date was a really long time ago. So I'm just trying to keep it authentic, and well, we all know that McDonald's has shelf lives of, well, decades. So how about we start cooking this? So we'll get the frying pan heating up. And there's a few things we need to prepare, like the bread roll here, the sesame seed bun. I'll cut that in half, and we'll whack some butter on that, so when we toast it, it'll fry deliciously. Make sure it's on both sides. Oh yeah. Now the pickle, well, we just need to slice that into slices. And then the onion, we want that nice and thin slices. Piled up on top of each other and cut into tiny little pieces. Now hopefully this frying pan's heated up. Oh! Yes, it has! So I'll stick my sesame seed buns in there to toast for a little bit and also freshen them up. They should only need a couple of minutes to cook. Oh yeah, they are looking sensational. So I'll whip these off. Bring out the old canola. Lubricate the base and whack in my meat. And we'll push that out. Get it nice and big. Add some salt and pepper. I'll probably do mine a couple of minutes on each side. Now I just like to let my meat sit and cook without moving it or touching it, so it really fries nicely on the other side. And when you can sort of start seeing the blood ooze through, I reckon that's the time you flip it. Perfection! Alright, well let's start throwing this thing together. So on the bottom we put the Big Mac sauce. Then we grab our lettuce. I know it's not the proper lettuce, but hey, we're in a lettuce shortage here in Australia. Push that down. Now we add the onion. Oh yeah. Our pickles. Our slice of cheese, and now our meat goes on top of that. Oh yeah! Now our sesame seed bun just goes on top, and there you have it. The old Grego's small Mac, which ironically I think is bigger than a McDonald's Big Mac. Let's tuck on in. All the delicious flavours of a Big Mac, only smaller. Well, there you go, another burger for you to try. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook a burger. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food